Rosman o Barangay 40, Usada de Las City, having been elected to the position of Governor, Province of Albay, Philippines. Hereby solemnly swear that I will uphold and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, obey and faithfully discharge, and perform the duties of my present position, and of all others.
Naman mga pangyayari tapos na yan. So, siyempre, ang level ng governance, ang muna natin, what we can do for Albay. So, let's unite. Then, kung paano tayo mag-give tayo, kung saan tayo dapat, maroon tayong working relationship. Tingin ko that's the very important thing as a governor. Tingin ko, ang mga Albayano, gusto nila sa akin, pinili, dapat I have to work with congressmen, mayors, and other national government agencies. Kung hindi, wala sa atin mangyayari. So we have really to reach out. And I just hope, they have also to see that the reason why they were elected, because the people, kaya hindi lahat kakampi ko, because they want check and balance. Hindi lahat kampi ni Governor Rosan, hindi rin lahat kampi nila. So maganda yung resulta.